Hi, my name is Jason. I'm in 5th grade. My project name is Bob, and it took me 3 weeks to finish this guy. The static parts of this guy is the beams, angles, angle beams, and the dynamic parts are axles, bushings, and wheels. The electronic parts are NXT, the touch sensors, whatever. The program blocks are loop blocks, move blocks, and touch blocks. My goal was to program 3 touch sensors to like a remote control, and this is how it works. Wait, what? Where is it? Need help? I can't find it.
Yeah,
I can't find it.
Where's Mom?
This is
Shortcut.
Whatever.
We went off track. The
I'm
robot's
being
bad.
Batman.
We went off track. The robot is bad.
Okay.
Any questions?
Start the program. All right, any questions, guys? Any questions? No? I have a question.
Yeah.
Huh? What was the most challenging part for you, building or programming?
Building.
Why?
This broke down today.
Okay. All right, again. Give him a round of applause, guys.